Hi folks, Richard Evans, Paradise Tour Guide right here in Las Vegas, Nevada, and I'm at a resort that is off the strip. It's very popular with locals and also budget-minded travelers to Las Vegas. It's Boulder Station right on Boulder Highway, and they've had a major revamp on all of their dining options that are here. I'm going to go check it out. Let's see how it goes. Now, Boulder Station's owned by the Station Casinos, the same ones that have places like Palace Station and Red Rock Canyon Casino and Green Valley Casino. The Boulder Station's kind of in their budget locals sort of area. It's located on Boulder Highway near the corner of Desert Inn, about 15 minutes away from the Las Vegas Strip, about 10 from the Fremont Street area. Now, this here used to be the buffet. And like a lot of different places, the buffet has gone away in a lot of casinos. This used to be a really popular one, and now it is a food cart. So here you got Capriotti's. Just go through the ones that are here. Capriotti's, which is a sandwich shop. You got Wingstop, which is chicken wings. And, it's not really cheap. It's not really expensive, just kind of medium. One that I really love is Tacos El Pastor. This is a pretty traditional type of taco shop that is very popular in the Las Vegas area. Things like huaraches and carnitas and various others, so very popular there. Sbarro, which, there used to be a pizza place here that was pretty decent. Now it's replaced with Sbarro, which is just kind of a generic, supposedly a New York style one, but it's basically fast food. Does have pizzas, does have strombolis. A lot of their places have pasta, but I didn't see them selling pasta here when I came to visit. Now, another place, it kind of gives you there's a little bit of a Hispanic flavor here, La Flor de Michoacán, which is kind of a Latina, Mexicana sort of ice cream and dessert sort of place. So it does have a lot of cool little ice creams and frozen desserts and all sorts of candies, but definitely with a little Mexican sort of twist to it. Mango ice cream and things like that. Very flavorful, a lot of fun, but is a little different than your typical ice cream for us Yankees. And they are still working on this. Like, for instance, here they're supposedly bringing in a teriyaki madness, which is an Asian sort of thing. And that's kind of around there. And again, that's kind of where it is as far as some of these new places. This used to be the buffet. Now, like a lot of places in Las Vegas, it's no longer the buffet. There's only 14 operational buffets right now. And the main reason for that, here's kind of a shot of the old buffet from the Boulder Station. It used to be one of the most popular ones for locals. There used to be long lines waiting to get in, especially on weekends. But it was a loss leader, and a lot of casinos are getting away from it now. Now, there's a mixed bag of what's still here. Now, you still have the Guadalajara, which is a traditional Mexican sort of place. They are famous for their $1.99 margaritas. Woohoo! What a way to get it started. But some other places, the Viva Salsa, which was like a take-home, go-to little Mexican place that was right there. It's gone. It was right between the Broiler and the Guadalajara. The Broiler's still good. That's the steakhouse there. Shrimp cocktails and good steaks. But right next door to the steakhouse was Pasta Cucina, which was another Italian traditional type of restaurant, and that's also closed. One thing that they still do have is the Brass Fork. That's actually the cafe at Boulder Station. I like that. It's very much a traditional type of Las Vegas cafe. It's got a lot of the traditional stuff, like here's a chicken parmesan. In the morning they have lots of deals, like for instance this is a steak and eggs, and they have some really cool specials, especially late at night. If you're a gambler at 2 in the morning, they got a lot of really cool stuff. And so that's kind of where we're at with these changes here. With the exception of, they do have a Burger King over by where the poker room is. But, hey, Burger King's over at the poker room. It's been there forever. So if you need a Burger King, there it is. So for people who want something on a budget, for people who are locals who want to have some fun stuff, they've got a movie theater here, they've got a arcade for the kids here. It's not a bad spot, 15 minutes away from the Strip. Hey folks, again, I'm Richard Evans, Paradise Tour Guy. I'm a retired history teacher, and now I give walking tours on the Las Vegas Strip and also in the downtown area. And my channel is all about the tips, the tricks, the hacks, looking to give you the information so you can have a cheaper stay and be able to spend your money on the things you really want to do and have more memories when you head on back home. Hey, again, I'm Richard Evans, Paradise Tour Guy. I'll see you next time you're in Las Vegas. Take care.